Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe in your houses, right? So, wash your hands mostly and oftenly, and sanitize your hands every 1 hour, okay? So, let's start our lesson first. So, in the previous class, we have started our lesson and completed half of the part, right? So, we'll continue today in this part, next part. So just listen me carefully. Eventually the day came when all the children had to go to the king, right? So first we'll listen the story, okay?
Eventually, the day came when all the children had to go to the king to show him the plant that they had grown.
So what did happen? After the day came that all the children had go to the king and show their plants.
Dressed in their best clothes and holding beautiful plants in their hands, they started walking towards the palace.
So the children were dressed in the best clothes of their and carrying out the beautiful plants in their hand and start walking towards the palace.
Pingala sadly watched them go by. Knowing how hard he had worked, his father felt sorry for him. "Why don't you go to the king with the empty pot?" he suggested. "At least he will know that you tried your best."
So, after all the children were very happy and wear the best clothes, but Pingla sadly watched them going by, knowing how hard he had worked like his father's. But his father felt very sorry. Why do you don't go with the king with the empty pot? He suggested. At least he will know that you have tried your best.
So Pingala wore his best clothes and joined the others outside the palace, holding his empty pot. Soon the king arrived and began his inspection.
So what did Pingla do? You know that? He wore his best clothes and joined the other children outside the palace holding an empty pot. Soon the king arrived and began in the inspection. What do you mean by inspection? It's nothing but checking all around. Okay? Let's go with.
The pots had flowers of different shades, beautiful and healthy. But the king did not look happy.
So the pots had flowers of all the different shades. The children that brought the pots have different colors of flowers and they are very beautiful. But the king is not happy with them. Why?
Pingala stood at the end of the line. When the king reached him, he stopped in surprise.
So after checking all the children's spot, the turn comes to Pingla, right? So he stood at the end of the line. When the king reached him and stopped him, and the king was very surprised.
"Child, why have you come with an empty pot?"
So the king asked the Pingla, why you have an empty pot?
Pingala looked down and said, "Forgive me, your highness, I tried my best."
So Pingla replied to the king forgive me, my highness. Forgive me, your highness, I tried my best to give the best soil and manure, but the seed did not germinate at all.
"I gave it the best soil and manure I had, but the seed did not germinate at all." The king embraced Pingala.
So, tell me what is the meaning of embraced? Embrace is nothing but hold someone closely in one's arm. So what did the king embrace Pingla?
And with a smile on his face announced, "Here is the..."
So with a smile on his face, the king announced, let's see what he announced.
"I had given everyone a roasted seed, which would never germinate, just..."
So he announced that he is a crown prince. So the king told to every children that I have given everyone a roasted seed, which would never germinate at all. So I just to see which child was the most honest and who will admit that he or she was not able to grow anything.
To see which child was the most honest and would admit that he or she was not able to grow anything. Only this boy has told the truth. I'm sure one day he will rule this kingdom with truth and honesty.
So only the Pingla was said by the truth. So the king was very happy with the Pingla and he told that I'm sure one day he will rule this kingdom with his truth and honesty. So we should always be very truthful to everyone. Never lie to everyone, okay?
And indeed, That was what happened. When the king grew